Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to fix the error code 0x80004005. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to open your CMD. So you're going to go into your search bar, type in CMD, run as administrator, click on yes, and here you're going to give it a code. So the code is reg svr, okay, 32 space quartz QUARTZ, okay, dot DLL, no spaces in between. So you can see reg svr 32 space quartz dot DLL. Okay, click on enter and you should say the register server in quartz DLL succeeded. So all you have to do now is close this, restart your computer, and the error code should be fixed. So that's all for this video. If it helped you, do drop a like, share it with your friends, and do subscribe. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, peeps.